If you're a notary, I want you to envision this. You just walked out of an escrow office, a networking event, you got a business card, you had a great conversation. Now I want to show you how easy it is to turn this lead into a contact in your notary marketing software and how simple it is to put them into an email automated drip, all from your phone. Watch this. What you got to do is this, very simple. Just open up the app right from your phone. Hit the plus button here, scan business card. It does all the hard work for you. You're gonna hit the word save. It uploads it directly into it for you as a contact. Then I go to the contact. I go down, hit add, hit workflows. You go scroll down. These are preloaded into your software written by me. You hit add. Now they're added to an automated email follow-up sequence. I hit notes. I'm gonna take notes on the interaction with them by doing this. Just met Susie. She worked at Chicago Title for over 10 years, has 3 children, is a 49ers fan, currently has a notary she's working with, but always looking for more. I'm going to follow up with her in 2 weeks. Hit save. And then I'm going to create a reminder that I'm going to follow up with her in 2 weeks by hitting the add button. Here it says follow up. Description is 2 weeks. Let her know I'm available. Bring donuts and something for her dog. Hit save. And then what I'm going to do is put a calendar reminder, so it's going to auto tell me on the 23rd to go see her. It's going to set an automatic alarm at 3 p.m. to contact. Hit OK, hit save. And done. It was that simple.